Nokia's smartphones have been ruling customers' hearts for years. After disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now gearing up to launch another power-packed smartphone in the market soon. This phone will come with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about the Nokia Energy Max 5G. And the best part, this smartphone is going to be super affordable. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the full features, price, and launch date of this beast. So let's start. Features of Nokia Energy Max 5G. The all-new Nokia Energy Max 5G packs a massive 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with 4K resolution. And that's not all, it also comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 8 protection, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera quality. For stunning photography, this smartphone features a triple camera setup on the back. The main camera is a whopping 200-megapixel primary sensor, accompanied by a 32-megapixel and a 5-megapixel sensor. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera ready to capture your best shots. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest and most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring smooth gaming, multitasking, and professional-level performance. As for the operating system, it's running on Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. To keep this powerhouse running all day, Nokia has equipped it with a massive 7000 mAh battery. And when it's time to recharge, you get 90-watt fast charging, with a Type-C charging port, so you're back in action in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, this monster is expected to be priced around $700. And as for the launch date, Nokia might drop this phone by the end of this year.